Oh, shoot.
Hey, welcome back to another episode of How We Do It. Let's see what we got today. Hey, we got some jumbo lump crab meat, okay. And we got some extra jumbo Gulf white shrimp, all right. With a fillet of salmon. Let's go ahead and make some crab shrimp stuffed salmon. All right, first thing we gotta do is make a compound butter. And these are the ingredients that we're gonna use. We have some lemons, which we're gonna use the lemon zest from that. 3 sticks of unsalted, softened butter. Some fresh thyme, some fresh rosemary, and some garlic. We're gonna chop these ingredients down. We're gonna put them into this butter. All right, I took 4 garlic cloves, minced that down. We're gonna drop that in. And then I took my rosemary and thyme, removed the stems, chopped that down. And then I took 2 lemons, about 2.5, zested those up. I'm gonna drop that in. Then we're gonna take a little bit of salt. Mix it up. I took that butter and put it on some parchment paper. We're gonna take this and put it back in the refrigerator. We gotta let it get nice and firm. We're gonna use that a little bit later. While that butter's hanging out, I got 3/4 of a cup mayo. Drop that in. Then I'm gonna take about 3 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. Then I'm gonna take some W sauce. Then I'm gonna take some lemon juice. Some lemon pepper. Some cumin. Boom. A little bit of garlic powder. Some Old Bay. We're gonna mix that up. After you mix that up really good, I took about 3/4 of a pound of shrimp that's been peeled, deveined, and washed. I chopped it up, similar size to that jumbo lump crab meat. We're gonna drop that into the mix. We're gonna take that jumbo lump crab meat, drop that in. And we're gonna fold that in really gently. We don't want to break up that jumbo lump crab meat. We want to keep it nice and all together. Now I took about 1.5 cups of Parmesan herb panko breadcrumbs and I added that to the shrimp and crab. Gave that a little mix and we're gonna let that hang out in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. We want those flavors to marry together real nice like. I got this beautiful salmon fillet out, washed off, patted dry. We're gonna chop this down in some nice portions and then we're gonna split it open, season it, and stuff it with that mixture. I took some avocado oil, brushed them on the salmon, and then hit it with some Old Bay seasoning. Make sure you get down and deep into that crevice right up in there. Man, we're gonna set that oven to 400 degrees. We're gonna pop these bad boys in for about 16 minutes. Then we're gonna pull them out and hit them with some of that butter. Got our salmon out, looking beautiful. Y'all remember that compound butter we made earlier? You already know. It's going on top. We're gonna pop this back into the oven underneath the broil and we'll finish it off. Ooh! Check out that crab, shrimp, stuffed salmon. Looking sexy. Let's go ahead and give it a try. Oh. Oh, hell yeah. Try one of these shrimps. Yeah, buddy.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Stay tuned.